Hey everyone, the tablet market might look calm at first glance, but in reality, it's one of the most competitive segments in tech right now. Devices are no longer just for media consumption, they're increasingly positioned as laptop replacements. This makes the comparison between the Vivo Pad 6 Pro and the iPad Air M4 especially interesting, because both aim to deliver high-end performance and versatility, yet they approach that goal in very different ways. Vivo is pushing aggressively on hardware innovation and multitasking flexibility, while Apple continues to refine its ecosystem-driven experience powered by desktop-class silicon. When it comes to design, both tablets take a premium approach, but their philosophies differ slightly. The Vivo Pad 6 Pro is impressively thin at just over 6 millimeters and maintains a modern, minimalist look with clean lines and subtle color options. It feels like a device built to maximize screen real estate while staying portable. The iPad Air M4, on the other hand, sticks closely to Apple's familiar design language. It's equally thin and lightweight, but with a more polished and refined aesthetic that has been proven over multiple generations. In hand, both feel premium, but the iPad Air has a slight edge in build consistency and accessory integration, especially with its well-established keyboard and stylus ecosystem. However, Vivo's design feels more forward-looking, simply because it complements its larger and more immersive display. The display is where the Vivo Pad 6 Pro clearly takes the lead in terms of raw specifications and visual impact. Its 13.2-inch 4K panel with a 144Hz refresh rate delivers an incredibly sharp and fluid experience. The addition of Dolby Vision and high peak brightness makes content look vibrant, detailed, and cinematic. Whether you are watching movies, editing photos, or gaming, the screen feels like a major step ahead of most tablets in this class. In comparison, the iPad Air M4 uses a liquid retina display that, while color accurate and reliable, is limited to a 60Hz refresh rate. It still offers excellent clarity and natural color reproduction, but it lacks the smoothness and visual punch of Vivo's panel. Performance is one of the most interesting aspects of this comparison because both devices are extremely powerful, yet they behave differently in practice. The Vivo Pad 6 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite Edition, delivering flagship-level performance with impressive efficiency. It excels in gaming scenarios, maintaining stable frame rates with lower power consumption and effective thermal management. The iPad Air M4, powered by Apple's M4 chip, offers a different kind of performance advantage. It delivers near laptop-level power, particularly in tasks like video editing, rendering, and general productivity. Apps like Final Cut Pro run smoothly, and the overall responsiveness of the system is exceptional. However, the real limitation here is not hardware, but software. While the M4 chip is more than capable, iPadOS 26 does not fully utilize its potential, especially for advanced workflows. In contrast, Vivo's software feels more flexible in multitasking scenarios, allowing multiple active windows and a more desktop-like experience, even if it lacks the depth of Apple's app ecosystem. Battery life presents a balanced but nuanced comparison. The Vivo Pad 6 Pro packs a large 13,000 mAh battery and manages to deliver all-day usage even under mixed workloads that include gaming, streaming, and productivity tasks. Its efficiency improvements allow it to maintain strong performance without draining too quickly, making it reliable for extended sessions. The iPad Air M4, while rated for up to 10 hours of usage, tends to deliver closer to 6 to 8 hours under heavier real-world conditions, especially at higher brightness levels and during demanding tasks. It remains dependable for most users, but it doesn't represent a significant improvement over previous generations, particularly given the increased power of the M4 chip. In the end, the choice between these two tablets comes down to how you intend to use your device. The Vivo Pad 6 Pro stands out as a hardware-driven powerhouse. It offers a superior display, excellent gaming performance, strong multitasking capabilities, and a more flexible approach to productivity. It feels like a device designed to push the boundaries of what a tablet can do, especially for users who prioritize performance and visual quality. The iPad Air M4, on the other hand, is defined by its ecosystem and user experience. It delivers incredible performance in a polished, portable form factor, with seamless integration across Apple devices and access to a mature app ecosystem. However, it is still held back by software limitations that prevent it from fully replacing a traditional laptop for more complex workflows. Instead of being a complete replacement, it works best as a companion device that enhances productivity in a more flexible and lifestyle-oriented way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.